Hi guys, it's the 19th and basically we're on a 1-day setting. Got it on maximum value and it's iodine 131. Managed to get that up today. And if I take you over here, just scroll out a little bit. And if I take you over here, we're basically at patina, and I'm just checking out. Actually, if I scroll out, I'm just checking out Slovenia, and next door, basically, they've turned their iodine things off, so you can see that in Sveti Crits they've got 0 becquerels. But if we move across the border to Slovenia, we've got 0.3 becquerels per meter cubed in Ciari Brinje, Slovenia. Hope you can see that okay. Ooh. And when we go to Krisk, we've got 0.46 becquerels. That's slightly higher, and that says to me that there's something going on there. 0.46 becquerels, that's sort of showing something. Now if we look at T gamma, and it's on 1 day, and we've got it on last value, and we swing over to the map, I think you'll find Luxembourg, which normally has orange spots because it's sort of highlighting cattenom, and cattenom is just below, just there, where there's nothing. And I would say that when we look at the spread around there, you can see that as you move away, there's a sort of blue coming in. Now we've had lower readings today, and I'm wondering if that blue isn't a cleaner front coming in from the Atlantic than what we've been getting over the last week or so during the deal done by Cameron and Sarkozy. When we come down to Luxembourg, we can see nothing because they've turned the offending monitors off that were telling us what was going on, and we can see a splurge out into Germany. And once again, I have no idea how averaged out. We know some of these monitors are averaged out. It is cold, and we will get lower readings. There is that to bear in mind. Hi guys, I'm just taking you to 1 month CS134, and I've got it on maximum value. And basically, if I pull you over here, you can see that in Helsinki we've got 1.91 to the power of -6. Imatra we have to the power of 7, 8.07 to the power of -7. And as we work up, I think you'll find it's 0.8 to the power of 8.7. I think basically that there's something going on, or this is from the cattenom incident possibly. If I move further up, you'll see that it goes to -7, -6 there. Don't know, just seems to be sporadic, and then -6 there. When we get to the top, -7. There is also a measurement down here in Drovno of 0.47 becquerels as well. So that's CS134. It was about a week ago when all the monitors went off, and we've got that last value of 0.0248 becquerels per meter, and as you can see, that's cobalt 60. So, and I've got that 1 week. There's the date for you, 20th, 1:20 in the morning, according to eurdep. And I'm going to just take you down to the chart. Once again, Drovna, that's the working one, and it's 00722, and that's for CS134 over the last week. And now we have CS137. Once again, if I do that over the last week, I've put it onto last value, and if I bring you across, you can see 0.00333 becquerels per meter cubed. So obviously it's a big switch off from last week. I'll take you to, we've got 1 week again, PB214, and basically we have the last value. So what we get there is this, just to show you some of the values. 5.31, sorry, get that back, 5.31, and Garmisch Partenkirchen, 1.83, at Constance, we'll go up here a little bit, 1.21, and so those values, they're probably up to 3, you know, so they're 1 becquerel when you go more north, 105. So that was a week ago when it was heading south, so maybe Germany got a hit. And when we go to Finland, we can get a BE7 reading. I'll show you that. So it's BE7, last value. You can only get it on the week, you can't get it on the 2 or 1 day. There's the day. There's the isotope. BE7. And we have that in Finland. I've got it on tooltip, so we have 00241 becquerels per meter cubed in Imatra. Move north. Kuopio 0.003, and we think the winds are coming in from the west, if my presumption is right, coming in from England and moving up, so that makes sense that it could be higher there, higher up in the mountains. We get up to Kajani, 0.002, getting a bit lower. When we get up to, we've got 0.001, lower still, and it goes a little bit up, not there, but there, a little bit up on the north there. Maybe got a stray gust of fallout. I think I'll just finish off by saying that I've got it on, let me show you that, T gamma, last value, and it's on the 20th, it says 120 on the eurdep map, but anyway, so it's the 20th of the 2nd, 2012. There's the T gamma last value, and we have this picture here. As you can see, France is still switched off. We move across, we can see, I think if we zoom in a little bit, yeah, we can see that France is closed off, and when we zoom in here, you should be able to see that yeah, Luxembourg is switched off as well. So we were getting some readings from Luxembourg, basically, and they were orange, and they're just north of cattenom, should be there. So they've all been turned off by the look of things. We've got cattenom there, because they're registering incredibly high amounts around that area, and obviously around here I would have thought would have been quite nasty if it's reached north against the prevailing wind. One would presume it would be quite bigger souther or south, and there's some evidence on that last data that I've just shown you of other stuff going on down in the south of Germany, piling up there, high readings. I've looked at umeasure.com. They've got some fairly high readings, especially on the left here, 0.18, some of the higher bits. They've had little peaks and what have you over the last week by the look of things. So there is things going on there in Germany as far as the pollution is concerned. We don't know anything about France, so that's a concern maybe for the French and for honesty. So basically I think I'll just finish it up with that really. We've captured some data maybe that might be useful to someone to do with the isotopes and the kind of measurements that we were picking up, and that's just documented.